works in a sort of sneaky way because you just get to deploy it into the repository and it makes use of cross-site scripting, or sort of not cross-site scripting.
Same-site scripting.
Same-site scripting.
See you.
But essentially that means if I can upload an HTML file to the repository, I get to do whatever my permissions are. Just to use this opportunity to raise the point, it also means that everybody else who looks at my HTML file does whatever I say he does. So let's say I can't remove the entire, it can't wipe out the repository, but my buddy can. I can send him a link, he clicks on it in his browser, and the repository is wiped. Standard cross-site scripting procedure.
Actually, they have another acronym for that.
So, nevertheless, it uses that, which makes it very powerful, to put it politely. Where do we have it? CMIS test is here?
Yes.
And essentially, it uses a JavaScript library, and the JavaScript library is just, I think at this point it's just called CMIS.js. I don't know exactly what the browser will do with it, but essentially it just has a CMIS sort of constructor, and then it has a bunch of things. At this point, it's getting folders, getting the repository info, and that kind of stuff. So if you want to use it, then you essentially all you have to do is this piece of code here. So you essentially say you want to create a new instance of my CMIS client, and then you, for example, want to get the root folder just like this, and that's essentially, and then I traverse it just so I have something to do. So if I now start this, it essentially will traverse the entire repository that we have. In this case, this is the Jackrabbit source code that's in the repository. Not that it's pretty or anything, but it shows that it works in the way we'd expect it to work. So this means that if you want to do a mashup, it's only 1 or 2 lines of code away, and you get decent JavaScript stuff. And we got it to work on Alfresco as well, and I think we were very close to getting it to work on OpenText, because essentially all we